Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. ¿Cómo están? So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a few recipes and just share with you guys what we eat in a day. We are a family of 5, so I hope you guys find this video helpful and hopefully learn some new recipes. So for breakfast, I'm going to be making some delicious banana foster French toast. I'm just grabbing a mixing bowl, adding 3 eggs, using a little bit of vanilla extract. I like to put in like 4 or 5 drops, and then also some cinnamon and adding some sugar. I forgot to mention, I'm also going to be using like 3 or 4 teaspoons of milk. You can use whatever milk you like, but I like to use whole milk and then just mix it all around again. Okay, so once the batter is all ready to go, we're gonna be making the topping for the French toast, which is just the caramelized bananas. All you need for this is some butter and some brown sugar. Make sure these two are nice and blended. Make sure you let them melt really nice and then add the bananas, because if you don't, then it's just gonna be more watery and it's not really gonna be like caramelized. So you wanna make sure that they burn for a little bit before you add the bananas. So you guys will see here that I let the butter and the brown sugar mix very well, and then I go ahead and add the bananas. Once this is done, you're just gonna put it on the side and then start making your French toast. Okay, so here I'm just gonna start making my French toast. To go along with my French toast, I'm gonna be making some bacon, and of course I'm not gonna show you guys how to make bacon because it's pretty easy to make bacon. But here I'm just finishing off making the French toast, and to go along with the French toast, we're just gonna be having some scrambled eggs. I like my eggs over medium, so I'm gonna be doing that. But oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you guys could smell my kitchen right now. It smells delicious. You guys should definitely try these French toast, you guys. They are bomb. You guys will not be disappointed if you try it out. Okay, so it's time for a snack. My kids have ate around 2 hours ago, so they're pretty hungry again. I'm gonna be making some yogurt parfaits. This is one of my favorite yogurts, and I'm gonna be adding some blueberries and strawberries and granola. Well, for my son and me, because my daughter doesn't like granola. But yeah, guys, it's a super easy, quick snack to make, and it's so good, and it's pretty healthy as well. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Your favorite? Are you acting shy because I'm recording you? Okay, so now it's time for lunch slash dinner because I do want to get a head start on dinner just because my kids are outside right now playing in the pool and they do come out really hungry. And here I'm just showing you guys all the ingredients that I'm going to be doing my Mexican rice, which is just red rice. These are all the ingredients that I use to make my rice. And this is some chicken nor Suiza, tomato nor Suiza, some salt, some water, of course, a little bit of onion, and I'm just gonna be putting a pan with some canola oil so I can fry my rice along with a little bit of onion. Okay, so it's been like around 10 minutes, I would say. And see how the rice is already brown? Look, this is kind of like the color that it should be. Now it's ready to add the tomato sauce, the water, and all the seasoning. So let me just show you. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording when I went ahead and added the water and the tomato sauce, but I wasn't. But that's all I did. I added 2 cups of water, you know, because it was 1 cup of rice. And then I went ahead and added the tomato sauce. And then I'm going to be adding my nor Suiza and then my tomato nor Suiza as well, along with some salt. Make sure that you guys don't add too much of your seasoning if you're going to try to make my recipe, because you don't want to put too much chicken stock nor Suiza because it will taste a lot like it. So just make sure you go light on it, and if you want to add more, you know, add more. I'm showing you guys here how much I usually put on here, but I usually just eyeball it, so I can't give you exact measurements. But this is all the ingredients that I use. So if you're gonna try and make it, just taste it, and then you can always add more, you know, nor Suiza, and add more salt. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I like to do. I just like to mix it a little bit and just bring it towards the middle. You know, just give it a good shake. This is hot. You know, just move it around, that way it doesn't stick at the bottom. And then just make sure you bring down your stove and just let it keep cooking. So after around 8 minutes, I would say this is how your rice should come out. Don't keep opening it up and checking on it because the steam comes out every single time you open it. So just mix it around. That way you guys can, you know, move the steam around and you can see through the lid. If you have a clear lid, you guys will be able to see how it's cooking. But now on to making my green salsa. This salsa, guys, it is so good. This goes along with any tacos, some carne asada tacos, some al pastor tacos, which I'm gonna be making, even with just your, you know, everyday meals. I just love my avocado green salsa. So this is the way I make it. Some people like to boil their vegetables, you know, and make it that way, but this is a quick and easy way to make your avocado green salsa. It's just everything is raw, so it's just gonna be going in like that on the blender. I am gonna be using 3 serrano peppers, but that's because I like mine spicy. So if you want to make this not spicy, you know, and you don't like to have, you know, your salsas to be too hot, just add around 1 serrano pepper, and then you could just add another one if you don't think it's too spicy, you know, because it's gonna be just raw, so you don't have to boil it or anything. So you can just always add it to the blender and mix it again if you keep adding jalapenos. But not jalapenos, serrano peppers. So that's the way I'm gonna be making my salsa. I'm gonna be adding 3 serrano peppers, a little side of onion, a lot of cilantro because I love cilantro, like around one lime. Yeah, I would say 1 lime, and also a garlic clove and some salt, and of course 1 avocado. And the most important thing, you guys, don't forget to add some water. I use like 3/4 of a cup. Okay, so now on to cooking my meat. I'm gonna be making some al pastor tacos, which is just pork meat with some al pastor marinade. If you guys don't have this type of meat at your grocery store, you guys can always season up your taco meat with like a seasoning that I'm about to show you. Or sometimes they do sell the al pastor marinade or the carne asada marinade, and you could just, you know, add it to your meat and just let it marinate for a little bit, and then just go ahead and grill it to make your tacos with. But this is the seasoning that I'm talking about. This one's really good to make carne asada and just make your tacos with this. But yeah, guys, al pastor is really good as well. If you guys are not a fan of pork, just make carne asada or whatever kind of meat you guys like, or chicken or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm right here. I'm just making my tacos, and I'm about to show you guys what I'm gonna be using to top my tacos with. So while the meat is still cooking, I just quickly wanted to show you how I set up my cilantro, my onion and radishes, my salsas. This one was left over, so from the other day. So I just put it here as well because it's delicious and it's so good with the tacos as well. And the green salsa that I just showed you guys how to make. And I really like this tray because it does spin. So whenever we're eating, whoever wants any, whatever, they just spin it around and grab it. So yeah, guys. So this is the way my tacos turn out. Don't they look delicious with that green avocado salsa? But anyways, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Of course, after we had tacos, we also had some ice cream. And then my kids also love to have cereal before they go to bed. So yeah, but I didn't want to make this video super long, so I just went ahead and show you guys the main courses. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you enjoy, give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out. And if you like, I can make more videos like this on my channel. I really enjoy making this one for you guys and do something different. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. Cuídense mucho. Bye.